In a daring and bizarre adventure, a Florida man made headlines when he attempted the impossible. Meet Reza Baluchi, the man who wanted to run to London, across the Atlantic Ocean. But the US Coast Guard had other plans, intercepting Reza Baluchi about 70 miles off Tybee Island, Georgia. This marathon runner refused to leave his homemade hamster wheel vessel for 3 days. Believe it or not, this wasn't his first attempt. He's tried 3 similar voyages before, all ending in Coast Guard intervention. His makeshift contraption resembled a giant wheel with paddles to move it forward. The vessel was afloat due to wiring and buoys, making it manifestly unsafe. His latest adventure began as a major hurricane approached. He refused to step off, even claiming he had a bomb on board. Finally, on September 1st, he surrendered and abandoned his vessel. Officials later determined that the bomb was fake. Now, Mr. Baluchi faces federal charges of obstruction of a boarding and violation of a captain of the port order.